Well, we've been out here a while, maybe hour 20. Been a long time since I've seen a sign. I think we're getting safe now. But, you know, at least I've got my own personal toilet.
Hey, Sir Rick, where are you going?
I think it's safe for us to go home now.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm sure.
All right, let's go.
I think we can sneak into the house without being caught.
But Sir Rick, we didn't get any weed.
It's okay. I got plenty of weed in there.
You don't think she's out here, do you?
Don't know. Don't know what to think anymore. God. I feel like a prisoner in my own home. Oh my God! Quick, get to the car! Please!
Get the car. What's the matter?
I don't know!
Wait, it won't start?
She's done something to the car!
Hey, I think there's something behind us.
Let me see.
Oh my God.
Hey, there you are. It's been a long week. I haven't slept a wink since the last episode. Every time I doze off, I see this creep with long fingernails, or they're more like finger knives or something. But as long as I continue to drink my espresso, I should be fine. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. Let me just lay my head down for just a second. Did I fall asleep? Come on, guys. You should have woke me up. Hello? Anybody there? What was that?
This is God.
Quick, I need something fast. Maybe a victory shot. Gin Mare, my favorite. This week's cocktail was pioneered by Ernest Hemingway. It's called Death in the Afternoon, and you know what? There is no better time to die. You see, if you pass in the morning, you cast a pall over everyone's day, spoiling the mood. Or if you die at night, you're going to keep people up past their bedtime, you know, with body bags, funeral plants, and don't forget to call all the aunts. Nope. Death in the afternoon is just easier on everybody. You already got back from a nice brunch, and you still have plenty more daylight to take care of funeral arrangements before hitting the sack. 1 ounce of the Green Fairy. But first, we need a shot. Oh my. Yep, I see the Green Fairy. I see more than one. Wow, this is cool. Add a sugar cube. And top off with a sparkling wine. And that's Death in the Afternoon. Today's word of wisdom is psychological. That's the horror that plays with the mind. Knives and fangs aren't the only way to send a chill up someone's spine. Sometimes you just need to introduce the threat of the unknown or misunderstood. Sure, there's a guy behind me wielding a chainsaw, but we know what he can do to me. But I don't know what the shadow behind the shower curtains is capable of. Is it even there, or is it just a figment of my imagination? When something goes bump in the night, your mind tries to rationalize what it can be. Usually your mind will come up with something far more frightening than reality. Sometimes you just need to introduce the threat of the unknown or misunderstood.
Now I'll be behind you with the
You sure that's okay? You shutting the door while I was doing that talking?
Oh, you had finished talking, right?
Did I? Okay, that's good.